Feels like over 100 degrees every day. Crowds, sun beating down. It's summer in Orlando. Are you ready for it? What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Krystal Palace. It's summer here in Orlando, Florida, and you know what that means. It is hot. 90, 100 degrees every single day. So I'm telling you all the tips and tricks here at Universal Studios Orlando on how to stay cool at your time here in the parks. Let's go do this. If you're visiting Universal, you might want to consider wearing a hat or purchasing a E.T. popping in the picture, or purchasing a hat just to try to keep cool and keep your face out of the sun. More of these light hats or vented hats would be great. Also, carrying a fanny pack or a little belt bag like this would be great as well, so you don't have the big backpack to carry around and have on your back all day long. You can also bring or buy a cooling towel to help cool you down. You put it on your head, wipe your sweat with it, cools instantly. They sell these in the Universal Studios store. Or a portable fan like this. These are themed to the Minions, which is fun. They also sell neck fans on Amazon. I'll link the one that I have in the description down below if you're interested. Another way to stay cool is by going on rides. And yes, you're at Universal, so you should go on rides. But some queues are way colder and have a lot of more air conditioning than the others. One of the most famous cold queues is actually the King's Cross station right here. Even if you stand in front of it, see how people are kind of hanging out? It blasts of air conditioning. It feels so good. Another really cold queue is Gringotts. They really pump the air conditioning in the Harry Potter and Escape from Gringotts queue. We're stopping for my favorite snack, the jacket potato from the stand outside of Diagon Alley, the London Taxi Hut. There are such great hidden gems around the park, especially food items. So make sure to watch the Krystal Palace, and I will show you the best of the best here at Universal Orlando. You can also get a plain potato. This one's a little cheaper, $6.99 if you want just potato and butter, compared to the ones with toppings that are $10.99, but it's worth every penny, and it's huge too. So let me eat my potato, and then we'll get back to the video. There's always a calm after the storm. This one takes the form in a perfect rainbow above Universal Studios Florida. Let's head over to Islands of Adventure. There are splash pads a lot in Islands of Adventure, like this one. If you need to just cool off quickly, run through it. Toon Lagoon is another great spot to cool off. There are so many water features in here. You get a light splash. I'm getting it now and I'm standing right here. One of the best ways to stay cool, the most fun way to stay cool, is to ride a water ride. We're standing in front of Dudley Do Right's Ripsaw Falls. This one's awesome, but I'll show you my favorite. Now this is my favorite water ride, Popeye and Bluto's Build Wrap Barges. You get absolutely soaking wet, but it is so much fun. All right, this is me now, hot and ready to get wet, but let's see how wet. Okay, here we go. My butt's already wet from the seat. We're just starting already, all right. Oh, my butt! Oh my God, it went right in my pants! Oh man! Right in my pants! Right in there! Oh yeah! Oh no! Oh man, we're getting attacked by this boat! Ew.
People doing it.
The water tastes so nasty. Oh, waterfall! Oh my God! Oh man! Woo! Woo! To my eyes! Oh! My poor hair! I just did it last night! Thanks, Popeye! Alright, well that was so fun. I'm drenched, but I'm cooler. I could bring my shorts out. Alright folks, here's the after of Popeyes. You could wring my shorts out. Look at the water. These were light blue before. I think I'm wearing a towel shirt, but we're drenched. But that was a lot of fun. If you're an annual pass holder, a great way to stay cool is with this Arctic Coke machine that's located in the annual pass holder lounge right here in Toon Lagoon. Thank you. right, it's done. So your options are Sprite, Coke, Powerade. So cold and refreshing. Perfect way to cool down. So cool. Look, they're literally slush in here. They keep the fridge at like 32 degrees. Look at that. It's awesome. Another way to stay cool, and you can't really control this, but hope for cloudy weather. Right now, it might rain, but it's okay because it's cloudy. And when that sun is beating down on you, it is so much hotter. So I'm kind of enjoying it. I have a poncho in here just in case it starts raining. That's what you have to do, just be prepared. But if it's cloudy, it feels a lot cooler. Also, another thing to stay cool is to make sure to pop into stores. And sometimes the stores, you'll enter on one side and then you'll exit all the way down. So instead of walking through the street, you walk through the store. So let's go in here. Look around at some awesome merchandise and get nice air conditioning. This is actually really cute. In this store, they have coloring pages. So for kids, you can sit here and color in the air conditioning. That's nice. I like that. Cute. And look at all these books. You can buy, you can read. All the Dr. Seuss books. Here at Thunder Falls, you can get free cups of water. So you actually don't even need to order a water. If you go right over here by the utensils, just grab a cup and fill up your water. It's really nice that they have this here. A great way to stay cool in the parks, of course you have to stay hydrated. I bring this collapsible water bottle with me. It fits in my fanny pack. And then I go to one of these Coke Freestyle machines and you can actually fill it up with water for free. So you just pay for the bottle from Amazon, I'll link it in the description, and then you get free water refills. And this water is freezing cold. It feels so good. The Mystic Fountain is a great way to stay cool. If he's out, it's squirting. Another tip to stay cool is to make sure you're wearing light as possible clothing. I got my flowy sports shorts on, a tank top, and that's it. You don't want to wear heavy clothes. You want to wear breathable fabrics to stay as cool as you possibly can. The thing that I like to do to stay cool is if I'm staying at a Universal Orlando resort and I have like 2 or 3 days here, I like to go back to my hotel, take a shower and just cool off a little bit around midday. So 1, 2, 3 o'clock. This is the heat of the day. It's the most crowded at this time. So it's good to go back. You can even go in the pool if you want or just hang out, regroup and come back out for nighttime. It's a lot cooler at night. It's a lot less crowded at night, especially around dinner time. The crowd levels go down. Because everyone's out in CityWalk eating, you could be in the parks riding. My favorite ways to stay cool at Universal is to take a break. Right now we're in NBC Grill right in CityWalk having a nice sit-down, cool lunch. Recharge, refuel, and then head back out and continue on your day. As we're walking to the bus stop, there's 2 things I want to point out in CityWalk. The first is that you can do the great movie escape if it's really, really hot. I've been here before. Sometimes it's 105 degrees and it's just pretty unbearable, but you still want to feel like you're getting the most out of your Universal experience. This is fairly new. It opened in December of 2022. The air conditioning from here is absolutely blasting. And there's 2 escape rooms, Back to the Future and Jurassic World. There's also a full bar and patio that you can enjoy as well. Another place you can cool off is at Menchie's Frozen Yogurt. They also have Cold Stone in CityWalk as well, but I've actually never tried this frozen yogurt and I want to, so let's go. I unfortunately lost all of my audio from this clip for some reason, but basically what I'm talking about is my love for bobas. If you don't know what bursting bobas are, I don't even know what they are, to be honest with you. They're these little bubble bursts that are amazing. And basically my whole cup of frozen yogurt is filled with bobas because I love them so much. And I was also saying how a lot of the frozen yogurt places are closed now, which is really sad. Like the 2012, 2013, 14 frozen yogurt craze kind of just died. And then now all the frozen yogurt places are closed by me. So I haven't had frozen yogurt or bobas in a while. And I really enjoyed this from Menchie's. As you see, I'm giving a thumbs up. I like this. And yep, it's Krystal Palace approved. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope it helped plan your Universal trip. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the Krystal Palace right down below. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.